Hi guys. Welcome back to Top Capable channel. It's so good to see you guys again. And today, we're going to show you a few helpful ways to recover deleted messages on iPhone, whether you have a backup or not. Alright, let's dive in. Deleting a message on iPhone doesn't mean that you lose it forever. In newer iOS versions, start from iOS 16, Apple has introduced the recently deleted feature to save the messages and iMessages you have deleted in the recent 30 days. It's like a trash bin, but the phone version. So, when you accidentally delete a message on your iPhone, you just need to tap the edit button in the top left corner from your conversation screen. Here, you will see this option saying Show Recently Deleted. If you don't have this option, it means you don't have any text messages deleted in the last 30 days, or your iPhone doesn't update to iOS 16 or newer. Alright, if you do have this recently deleted folder, tap it. And then, it will show you all the messages and iMessages that you've deleted most recently. Select whose conversations you want back, and tap this Recover button. And confirm it. See? These deleted messages are now recovered and moved back to your conversation list. It's very easy to get your iPhone messages recovered if you can find them in the recently deleted folder. But, what about the messages you deleted for more than 30 days? Are they permanently gone? Well, the truth is, the messages you consider permanently deleted are still on your iPhone's internal storage. Their access is hidden, but they are still there until their storage is taken up by new data. So, even if you permanently delete your iPhone messages, there's still a great chance to get them back. To do this, we'll need some extra helps. So, today, we're going to introduce you a powerful scanning and recovery tool for all iOS users. Here's the iPhone data recovery software from AppGeeker. As you can see, this recovery tool is able to recover a wide range of files, such as the deleted iPhone messages, photos, contacts, notes, and much more. And it's very easy to use. I'll drop the download link below this video, so you can easily get it and follow my steps to recover your deleted iPhone messages with just a few clicks. Alright, firstly, open this software on your computer. You can use either a Windows PC or a Mac. And then, go to iPhone Data Recovery. As you see, it has 3 recovery modes: from iOS device, from iTunes Backup, and from iCloud. To recover the messages deleted from iPhone, opt for the first mode. Then connect the iPhone. And make sure you allow it to scan your device, so, enter your passcode to allow it. And click the Start Scan button on the screen. It may take a little while. Just wait patiently. Alright, when it's done, all recoverable files on your iPhone should appear on the screen. Not just the messages, but also the photos, contacts, notes, and everything else you can recover. So, to recover the deleted texts, check the Messages box on the left categories. As you can see, here's a list of my iPhone text messages. If you want to see more details, just click on it, and all information will show up on the right side. You can select a single message, or choose the entire conversation for recovery. When you're done with the selection, click the Recover button right here. And then choose a local path to save all these recovered messages. It's quite simple to get the job done. If you want to retrieve your lost messages, trust me, this iPhone data recovery software would be one of the easiest ways. Alright, we just discussed about 2 solutions to help you recover your deleted messages without using any backups. Now, let's talk about the backup methods. So, if you have turned on iCloud backups on your iPhone, it automatically backs up your data with iCloud when your device is locked and connected to Wi-Fi. Based on this, you can restore your deleted messages from a recent iCloud backup to get your important conversations back. But, before we start, there's one crucial thing you need to know. That is, this iCloud restore process will erase all your current data and settings before it can restore the backup files to your iPhone. You'll only have the backup content on your iPhone. Anything not included in that backup will be gone forever. So, if you're okay to lose your most recent data, here's what to do. The first step is to erase your iPhone. Don't worry. You'll get your data back later, from an older iCloud backup. Okay, so firstly, open the Settings app, and tap your Apple ID, then go to iCloud, and choose iCloud Backups. From here, you can see all iCloud backups you've made before. You can tap on one of them and check its backup size and the date. Make sure your backup is made before your messages were deleted. Or, you're gonna lose everything. Alright, then, back to the settings screen. And then, head to General, scroll down a little bit, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From this screen, choose to erase all content and settings. To proceed, we're gonna verify our identity. So, enter the Apple ID password used on this phone. The erasing process should start now. Wait for a couple of minutes. Do not use your phone until it restarts. Alright, when the hello screen pops up, we can swipe up and go through the setup steps. So, set up everything until you see this screen, transfer your apps and data. From these options, tap from iCloud Backup. Sign into your iCloud account. Make sure to use the same Apple ID and password. Alright, all iCloud backups are showing up now. We just need to choose the one that contains the deleted messages you want to restore. And then, iCloud will download this backup to your iPhone and restore everything. When it's done, open the Messages app to check if your deleted messages and iMessages are back. Keep in mind that you should only use this method if the lost messages are truly important. Alright, if you don't have any iCloud backups, you can also recover your iPhone messages from an iTunes backup stored on your computer. Just make sure that you've backed up your iPhone with iTunes before your messages got deleted. So, similar to the iCloud method, this process will restore your iPhone to the last backup state, and anything added to the device after the backup will be lost. To get started, connect your iPhone to your computer, and run the iTunes. When this phone icon shows up in the top left corner, click on it. Then scroll down a little bit, you can see the backup section. So, check this computer. And click this Restore Backup button. iTunes will show you a dialog box. Let you select a most relevant backup and restore your data. When you see this selector, make sure you choose an iTunes backup that has your deleted iPhone messages. And then, just simply click the Restore button. And wait for it to complete. All backup data will be restored to your iPhone, including the messages and iMessages. If you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later, you can also follow these steps to recover your iPhone messages using a Finder backup. Okay, with these 4 quick ways, we believe that you can get your deleted messages back successfully. If you want more tech tips like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.